working on BMW M6 2008 with standard problem, no sound, and it's very, very common. So first, you turn on the car, make sure the screen is working. It's very important. Without the screen, there's no point to go anywhere else. Screen is working. Sometimes you might experience some lagging, glitching, which is normal because fiber optic system is sleeping. So turn on ignition, and let's go and see what's going on here. Okay, so as you can see, I disconnected from the amplifier because amplifier is the first one. There are two more modules behind the backrest for telephone and USB module, but they seems to be not water damage. So as you can see, amplifier connector is working. So let's connect it back to the amp. You may have less modules, more modules, but the principle is kind of the same. So connect it back to the amplifier. Let's disconnect this one. Okay, we can see that the amplifier is transmitting light. The next one is satellite tuner. Let's see if it's working. Okay, and we need to disconnect this one because this FM tuner. Okay, as you can see, nothing is communicating through sat tuner. Next step is to bypass the fiber optic loop. You put it in here. Okay, you can see that satellite tuner is definitely dead. And this one, let's see. Let's connect it back in. All right, let's see if it changed anything. As you can see, let's turn on. Unfortunately, there's still no sound. But the CC unit is definitely faster now. It's not lagging. And we can go to the FM and it's good. So basically we restored communication to HD tuner and it seems like it's in working condition, but there's still no sound. It means that the amplifier is working in terms of digitally, but actual power is not. Circuit probably is damaged by water. So now next step is going to be, I already brought another amplifier to confirm. So next step is going to be to replace the amplifier. So we need to remove this connector and this connector. So it's all removed, and we connect it back in here. All right. Don't have to. Okay, let's see what happens. All right. You probably heard it already. So FM is working. So it's it. That's it. Sound restored. The problem is satellite tuner.